Are you road trip ready? I mean, like, legit road trip level. This is next level. This is a smart screen for your car. And you're probably thinking, I already have one or two of those in my car. Yes, you do, but it's nice to have additional infotainment center so that way you can take all that information that's on your phone, throw it on the car smart screen, and then your infotainment center in your car can control the audio or anything else that you want it to do. Hey guys, it's Carmen with Pyniro, and our friend sent over this smart screen for us to test out. Come on, let's check it out. So I have it set up here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire up the car so that way we get power going to it. While that's going, I'm gonna go through the box so that way you can see what we have in here. Number one, this is a camera. This is your reverse rear camera because it also has a dash cam that's already recording instantly as soon as it gets turned on. So this is really nice because you can plug this in and run the exterior wire down outside of your car because it's all waterproof, and then you can connect it to your license plate or a spot that's a really good location for you. Of course, it has your usual manual that's going to break down everything you need so that way you can get this manual set up exactly the way you want it. Of course, we have a different holder as well because this just comes with a base that you can adhere to your car, or if you want to use a suction cup, you can suction cup this right to your window, and that works perfectly. And it also comes with this 3.5 audio jack because if you want to use this as an FM transmitter, you can. Also comes with another set of instructions, important instructions, just using the device. It also came with an SD card, a 64 gig SD card, which I already have installed, and that's why it automatically starts to screen record. So what's really cool about this thing is, yes, it is a screen. Yes, it is a touch screen, but check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and plug in this rear camera for us here. There's an audio jack here for your AV jack, and then you also have your camera here that we're gonna plug in for our reverse camera. All right, so let's get this looking here. We're gonna switch to home here. You can pull up the camera, and you can see when I tap on it, what it's actually doing is it's switching screens. Sorry about that. This is flipping over. So this is an upside down camera. It's supposed to be installed like this so you can have a backup. Oh, sorry about that, guys. All right. And we're gonna go back home, making everybody sick. We have the dash cam, which is great. We have the Android Auto, which we can pull up. What's really nice about this is you can just zoom in as if this is your navigation. You can pull up your music, your local weather. If you want to listen to music, you can actually pull up your music. There, of course, is the game center. So if you wanted to play some games on this, you certainly can. And of course, you have your option for your phone. What's nice is, like I said, you can pull up all those different devices and you can close certain things. This works as if your phone. There's no issues at all with Google Maps. It works seamless. This will automatically start recording. You can go home and you can pause that and turn it off. And while you're driving, you can have it record. So no matter what you want to do on this device, you can set it all up, customly designed how you want it. And I think it's really awesome. It does a really nice job setting it up. It's very easy to use. It's very straightforward, and it's going to really enhance your car trip because now all of your guests get to enjoy this beautiful 10-inch screen. Check it out.